Yes, there he is. Over there. So after the first day, I spent about an hour in here, got the slats done for the first half of the bed. So the way I set this up is basically, it's pretty simple. You just drill down every other one. Sliding piece, so these are drilled to this piece that comes out, and then you can see they have this little stopping piece that's back behind here, so that when it comes to the end, it doesn't go all the way through. So tomorrow, I'm gonna do the other side of this, and they're gonna meet in the middle. And then after that, I'm going to do the legs, get all that knocked out, and then just finish up with the rest of the area where the bed's going to go. Stationary couch. This doesn't move, and then these two come out, and they don't necessarily need to meet in the middle because you guys are going to see how I'm going to do the mattress next. So then this whole thing is the mattress, and then obviously all these are closed. You still have access to the drawers underneath and all that good stuff.
It's crazy things to do.
Alright, so I just finished making the slide out bed sectional couch. So let's get in here and check it out. Right now, it's in couch mode. These two cushions are what turns it into a bed. And this is a 75 inches wide, 75 inches tall by, what was this, like 55 or something like that? So it's a pretty big couch. It's a pretty big couch, but you have a ton of room down here. But then when you're ready to go to sleep, this is all you gotta do. You pull out this piece of wood right here, and that comes to here. And you pull out the other side. And then these two back cushions, like I already said, they just come down into position here. And then goes from a couch to a queen size bed. So then when you're ready to make it go from bed mode back to couch mode, all you gotta do is pull these cushions out, and it just goes in the reverse order. Those go up here, and then you just slide these in, and then it's a couch again. And one of the really good things about this couch is the versatility, because these pieces are all basically stationary, but these can go wherever you want. So right now I have it like in the main couch position, but let's say I wanted to put these on that side and sit like this, I can do that. Or if I wanted to put my leg up on this side, I can do that. Or whatever, however you want to do it. And then here's one other pretty cool thing. This seat here is pretty short. It's too short to have a backrest, but since you can slide this part out for the bed, you can do something like this. Slide this up and then put this here. Now you've got an additional full-size seat. Last thing I wanted to talk about real quick was just the way that we made the cushions. I know that I showed it on camera, but I didn't actually say what we used. So the back of these cushions, the back of all these cushions have 1/8 inch plywood on the back, and that's just to make it harder. What I found when making beds with slats in them like this, most of the time your bed, like if you have a bed in a house, right, it usually has a box spring or something solid to sit the mattress on top of, because otherwise you'll just be kind of sitting through these holes in the wood where the slats are. So by putting plywood on the back of these, it gives the cushions more stability, and you don't actually need to know how to sew anything. We just went to the fabric store, got this fabric, and then just put the mattress here, put the plywood here, folded it over, and then we just stapled it. We did the same thing for all pieces. So that's all I got for this video today. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. I don't know what I'm doing next, so it'll be a surprise. Later.